Okay, 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1, off you go.
Yeah.
Here we go. Dream the impossible dream, to fight the unbeatable foe, to bear with unbearable sorrow, to run where the brave cannot go. You taking the piss?
No!
Cancel that on Facebook now.
Stand back, win back, come
You're only making it worse. Making it worse? How can it be worse? What I can say is though, Sylvia changed it for Ben.
It should be doing
Exactly. Closing comments.
No.
I was going to say twat.